All right, guys, it's your boy Big Mo, back with another one. Got the Mayday, my Mayday delivery. We're gonna see what we got up in here. I was only able to get a couple ounces according to my budget, but we're gonna go ahead and bust into this thing. See what we good. I was literally in the mailbox waiting on this one. And it finally came. Alright, let's see what we good. Oh, they packed it pretty good, huh? Ooh, I see a big one in here. What the heck is that? I thought it was supposed to be a smaller one. Oh, I got some 2-ounce things. First one. Ooh, this boy is kind of huge. I didn't know it was going to be this big. Well, this is the 2-ounce African wildlife elephant. Somali Republic. 200 shillings. Dang, this one pretty big. I didn't know it was going to be that big. Right, let's see what we got in here. Let me see what else I got. Next, we got this. Ooh, let's see what this is. This is, the Cook Island one. 2021. Man, that boy look pretty good. The Cook Island boy. Nice. Next, we have a 2-ounce Queen's Beast. Ooh, that boy thick. 2-ounce. 2-ounce Queen's Beast. That boy pretty cool. That boy pretty cool. I don't care. I touch my silver. It's mine. It's in my circulation. I touch my silver when I can. Until I get some capsules, I put it in the capsules. Whatever. And then last but not least, we have another Somali Republic. African wildlife elephant. Pretty good, huh? Pretty good. And that's my mail call. I love it. So I got 2 ounces here, 2 ounces there. That's 4, 5, 6 ounces for the Mayday raid. I do what I can when I can, because I can. Hey, it's your boy Big Mo, man. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the new channel. This is my first couple videos. I appreciate you guys watching. Till the next time. Peace.